Hello everyone! Today is a very special day because we are introducing for the first time our new organic wine, Clos Ancestral 2019. Why this wine is special? Well, because in this wine we're including for the first time in the blend an ancestral variety, the moneu. This is very special because we found this variety 20 years ago in the upper mountains of the Penedès, and since then we have been experimenting and trying to plant it more and more. This is actually the first vineyard that we grafted. This is in the Castell de la Bleda, in the heart of the Penedès, very close to Plana. But if you come with me, I'll show you some other parcels. Let's go. Trying to make a wine with an ancestral variety was like trying to read a book with white pages. We had to start everything from the beginning. We had to learn through experience. There was nobody that could tell us how to do it. That's why we had to experiment a lot in the vineyard, especially at the beginning, with different training systems like the cordon royal, like the gouillotte. But at the end, it was the base system, the gobelet system, the one that really this vine prefer. And this has been the system used in the Penedès for more centuries, so it has a lot of sense. In this small parcel where I am now, we wanted to try what the moneu would do with very high density plantation. Here we planted at 8,000 vines per hectare, a lot more than what is usual for Spanish viticulture. And what we learned is that actually moneu doesn't like to have so much competition, likes to have more space. So even if this can produce good quality, it will never be the most quality parcel that we have. So from that day on, we planted more, between 2,500 vines and 5,000 vines per hectare. This actually is a very young vine of moneu. It will probably still live for 80 or 90 years, like the life of a person. But this young vine is really planted in very old soil, very ancient soil. Here we never stop finding ancient pieces that relate this place with the Iberians, with the Phoenicians, afterwards with the Romans, and then the Middle Ages. And maybe the most important piece is actually this one, this great building of the Castell de la Bleda. Under this building we have found an amazing archaeological site that shows 2,500 years of non-stopping history of winemaking. So far you have learned about the ancestral variety moneu, and we have seen these vineyards together. But now I would like you to join me to visit the wine cellar and see how we are recovering also ancient ways for winemaking. Let's go! Albert,
hola, Miquel.
Com va això? Veig aquí amb les gerres de fang.
Sí, estava tastant els diferents moneus que tenim aquí amb les gerres. Aquest és un lot que vam posar aquí a la gerra el mes de novembre i ha fet la malolàctica i està fent la criança amb gerra.
Aquesta part té una part de fruita vermella molt intensa, molt fresca.
Molt fresca, ens conserva més, jo penso que amb la tinaja ens conserva més la frescor del fruit, no?
I també té aquesta part una mica especial, que sempre ens deixa una mica la moneu.
Sí.
La clau, una mica de pebre.
És interessant tornar a fer proves amb material que no havíem fet servir mai o que s'havia fet servir antigament per a recuperar sensacions noves, no? També, o provar coses noves, no?
Sí, així és com es feien antigament molts vins, i com estem recuperant això amb la tecnologia també actual, però està fent vins molt elegants. Sometimes it's hard to realize all the hard work that is inside each of the bottles. This is a work to recover the ancient, the ancestral varieties that used to grow here in the Penedès. But this is also the work of many people. And at this point, I would like to thank all the team that work in Família Torres for this project, and especially my sister, that worked very hard in order to search for these varieties. And now the most important thing, I hope that you can taste this wine and I hope that you enjoy it. Salud!